Well, the question that I want to consider is that of Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education, Paper 1, year 2008, question 15. And the question is, the equation of line L1 is 2y minus 5x minus 8 is equal to 0. And line L2 passes through the points negative 5, 0, and 5, negative 4. Without drawing the lines L1 and L2, show that the two lines are perpendicular to each other. That's 3 marks. So here what we are meant to show is that the products of these two, or the gradients of these two lines, give us negative 1. So let's proceed and see how that is done. We are given the equation of line 1 is 2y minus 5x minus 8 is equal to 0. And this is that's line 1. Then line 2, we are given that it passes through point minus 5, 0 and 5 minus 4. So those are the 2 points through which line 2 passes. Then you are told, without drawing the lines L1 and L2, show that the two lines are perpendicular to each other, 3 marks. So to do this, to show that they are perpendicular, we'll need to find the gradient of line 2. So the gradient of L2 will be change in y over change in x, which is equal to minus 4 minus 0 all over 5 plus 5, all over 5 plus 5, and that is minus 4 over 10, which is minus 2 over 5. That's the gradient of this line. But then let's see what the gradient of this line looks like. But L1 can be written in the form 2y is equal to 5x. 2y is equal to 5x plus 8. Plus 8 if we take everything the other end. Therefore, y is 5 over 2x plus 4. The gradient of line L2, the gradient of line L2 is therefore 5 over 2. 5 over 2, the coefficient of x in this equation is 5 over 2. If they are perpendicular, then the product of this gradient should give us negative 1. So 5 over 2 times minus 2 over 5. That, and we get negative 1. Hence, they are perpendicular. Hence, they are perpendicular to each other. And that's the answer. So, see you in my next video.